turn to big energy while you are working to expand your field of frequency. That will be the first step. Second step will be to listen to a vibration that will be giving you an edge that will use your vibration to expand this union with us. Well, that makes sense. Let me ask the question from last week on the Linda Deer YouTube channel. Hi, Linda. Thank you and your guides for the message today. My question is, how can I move forward? I feel stuck, even though I feel I have a higher purpose. So the first thing I'm feeling is breath. I'm really feeling the breath. Oh, you have to breathe more. That's the first step. I'm feeling you in that energy in my body. Stretch, breathe, vibrate to us with an intention that you will succeed. Yeah. This vibration will give you energy that has been missing. Yes. Visits with us when you write to what you will think is yourself, but we are there too. Yes. That will train you to decipher between you and us. This feeling you will have needs your attention to the frequency changes that you will begin to notice. Yes, you will feel hot, then cold, again and again. That will be true to your ability to perceive these differences between you and us. Write your dreams down also. We are there. Yes. Breathe, stretch, walk. Hear us, and you will be on your way. Okay. Okay, that's the only question we had from last week. So I'm going to let the guides finish what they need to say before we close this. And here they go. You will heal your worries when you write them down. They are not hidden. They will freely expose themselves when you understand that we think through you to heal you and feel this gift that you were born with. Do not doubt this. You will heal the frequency of fear when you are stuck. Void in your soul will be repaired. Yes. Only a month to work this out as you attend to your writing. Yes, you will see what ways that are truly working for you. So believe this. You will be free from this grief that has consumed you.